Right, hello there, back with another car video, and you can see in the mark there we have got the check engine light is on, and we've done a scan on our Torque Pro app, and it's telling us that it is the O2 sensor, bank 1 sensor 2, so that's the one after the cat. So I've ordered up one of them, and we need to get her up in the air so I can get in under it and hopefully get it out with not too much trouble and get rid of this check engine light. Okay, so the under tray off, and you can see our sensor here. That's the wire going along, and the connector is up here. So we need to get this out. Now hopefully I'll be able to get it out without too much drama. So I'm going to unplug the connector first and get the wire out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the cable, so I don't have a CO2 spanner or socket or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to cut the cable so I can get the ring spanner on, and hopefully we'll be able to get it out. I just need to move the camera so it's not in my way. No, should be okay there. Come over there. And it just sticks onto the side of the gearbox. Right. Hopefully now the new one is the same. I should check that before I go any further. Right, so there's the new sensor. Bosch sensor, same as what's in it. So I'm going to cut this and see if we can get it out. Hopefully. Now, this is going to be the hard part. Never underestimate the power of your foot. Once you crack it open, it should be handy enough. Oh man, I'm not fit. Should be the same. This stuff already has anti-seize compound on it. I just need to be careful with the cable now, putting it in. There's a little gasket on it as well, like spark plug. So tight enough. The wire in the clips. Plug it in. Connector only goes in one way, so you can't do it wrong. And shove that back onto the side of the engine where it was. Now, harmless enough. So let's go see did that fix the problem. That took about 45 minutes in real time, and let's see what happens. Oh, isn't that nice? Right, let's be very sure. Scan. Takes a little while. If there's a fault, it generally comes up straight away. So now, no fault codes. Happy days. So we can just come out of that. I use this all the time. I just think it's cool. All your different information. So that's how you change the oxygen sensor on the C180, and less than an hour. I'd rate that job. Difficulty level out of 10, I'd rate it about 3 or 4. Most awkward part is getting it up in the air and getting the under tray off. So, and just be sure to use your boot on the spanner. Make sure it's a ring spanner if you don't have the CO2 socket, as the ring won't slip because it's gripping the nut on so many different sides. And just get your foot in the end of it and crack it open, and once you crack it loose, you'll be able to unthread it by hand. So that's it. I'll get you in the next one. More to come.